Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another episode of KW Tech Official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily wish happy birthday to your fans with his or her name on a birthday cake. So it's really simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open any browser that you are using. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, so I open it and then go to google.com. So here we are going to google.com, and when Google search engine is open in front of you, just type happy birthday cake and just press enter, and after that you will read this page, and here just click on the first link, name birthday cakes, write names on cake images. Just click on that. In the video description I will provide the link of this website if you want to go from there, so direct link will be available in the video description. So I hope so what you need to do, here you see a bunch of options that have a very unique cakes, and that's really a lot. Just find the suitable design that you want to use, and just you see it's a plenty of options here, and most of them are really beautiful. So just go on and search the favorite one, and here I'm going to find some best for okay. So just I click on this image, and after that you will have to write something on that cake. So whatever you want to write, just write that thing on this box. Like I want to write knowledge word on this cake, so just click on it and click on generate image now, and after that it will take a moment and it will generate an image for you, and text will be according to your desire. Whatever you want to write, it will appear on that cake image. And I hope that this will be very helpful for you, because if you are not a Photoshop expert, so this thing make a really easy job for you. And I hope that this a simple trick will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel, KW Tech Official YouTube channel. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.